Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the engraving tool from Cricut. I showed you guys the other day how to use the aluminum sheets to etch on there, so you can engrave on these aluminum sheets. And I know that in my other video I called it an etching tool and all these. It's an engraving tool. I kept calling it different names. Don't judge. Anyways, so I showed you guys that you guys can engrave on the aluminum sheets like this, and you can also use the infusible ink. Well, I want to show you guys how to engrave on bracelets today. So I think a few different people have already done this, but I wanted to do it myself. So I wanted to make sure I was able to show you guys. I'm going to see if I can't bring this up. I know it seems a little blurry and then my lighting is awful. Alright, I'm hoping this comes in clear enough. I can't really tell. I won't know until I edit back. But anyways, there is, this one is mine and my husband's, so I wrote Crystal and Rocky, established 2012. So you could do something like this. And it's really neat because this kit is $12.99 from Hobby Lobby. I used a 40% off coupon and I think it was like $8 something after tax, okay? So what comes inside of the kit is you get this right here, which is your tool, and this is how you're going to bend them to get this shape. Okay, so it's going to come with this tool, so you won't have to repurchase this, and you'll be able to use this with all of them. So you can purchase some thinner ones. There's really thin ones. I'm going to go back and get those. You could buy some dog tags. They have tons of stuff by this brand. It's Impressions Art. I'll have it linked down below to Amazon as well, just in case you guys want to order online. So with this one right here, I used the Heidi Swap font once again. Super cute. I'm hoping you guys are picking that up. Now, you could really bring this to life by adding some black paint in there, rubbing it out, and just getting it down in the cracks. And that's really going to bring it to life. So you could do something like this. This is going to be amazing for Christmas time, especially if you sell on Etsy or anything like that. Engrave on them is just amazing. That's a whole nother world. Okay, so inside the kit, once again, it comes with your tool, and then it comes with 7 of these bracelets. And they do have this blue coating to protect them. I didn't take it off, so you don't want to take it off. You're going to leave it on there and then let it engrave and then take it off. So that's just going to keep it protected so it don't get all scuffed up or yucky during the time. And they're both sides have it. You're able to engrave on both sides. So some people may want to put like a little cute quote, something personal on the inside, or a little heart or something, and then maybe somebody's name on the other side. So you can do some engraving on both sides. So it comes with 7 bracelets. That's a lot to get started. And like I said, you can also get some really thin ones, and I do plan on purchasing those as well, like I said. Now, this is what you're going to do, and I'm going to do it correctly this time. What you need to do is you're going to count over, and I like to come away because you want to stay away from, you don't want to put it on your mat and have it to where it's going up underneath these pieces right here. So I like to try to stick in the center somewhere. And like I said, I usually come down at least 1 or so. So mine is, I need to come 3 over, okay? And then I need to come 1 down. So I need 3 over and 1 down. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to line this up against the line here. And then I just want to push down nice and firm. So I actually want to do that off that, so I'm not pushing on that. And then I'm just going to really push down nice and firm on the purple mat. So definitely make sure you're using your purple mat. You may want to use some tape as well, but so far it has a really nice stick, and I haven't seen that. Now maybe later on, more usage of the mat, maybe I will. Okay, so this time I have it exactly where I need it to be. We are ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and load it. For my materials, I'm just going to type in aluminum. I'm going to choose the aluminum sheets. That's just what I chose, is the aluminum sheets. Done, and now I am ready to go. All right, we are ready to unload. All right, so now all I've got to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull off that blue sticky stuff here. It's actually not sticky, it's just like a plastic coating. I pull that off first. You could always take this off and then pull it off. All right, I'm going to bring it up too so you guys can see it. All right. Whoop. There we are. Super cute. Isn't that cute? It says you are enough. Let me bring it down here so if you guys can see with that lighting. Okay, so it says you are enough. It's so hard to tell because that lighting, but yeah, you are enough. Super cute. Now, if I wanted to do some engraving on the other side, I would simply flip it over in the same spot, and maybe I want to put a heart or something like that, and it would be ready to go. So I'll just lay it in the exact same spot, put the heart, you know, wherever I want it to be, so that way you can engrave on both sides. All right, to finish up our bracelet, all you're going to do is you're going to take your little bender tool here, and you're going to put it right down in this slot here. You're going to hold tight, and then carefully just push it around. It's got a little bit of a push, but not bad at all. Even the kiddos could do this, and you're going to wrap it around all the way to the end there. Then I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to get the other side in there and push it all the way around, just like that. There you have it. And you may want to peel your plastic off once you're done. You could get that off on the inside. So all the way around here, I know it's really hard to see with my lighting. So it says, you are enough. How cool is that? Cricut is currently doing a Cricut Be Kind challenge. So head on over to the Cricut Facebook page. I'll have it linked down below. I'll also share it over there on my Facebook page as well as my group. So they are currently doing a Cricut Be Kind, and look at how cute that is. You are enough. So it's definitely a positive affirmation. Super cute. Great to give as a best friend gift to somebody that needs it the most. Would make a great stocking stuffer. So definitely check it out. I really do like the thinner ones better. Like I said, they have them, they're about half this size. So I definitely want to go back and get some of those. But if you do want something that's a little bit more chunky, and see, they just slide right on your wrist like so. Just like that. You are enough. Really cute. But how cool is it that we can engrave on stuff like this? But super, super cute. And like I said, you just let it right on like so. Super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.